11 inches. This is my brother's account, and you know this, but part of this video is the iPad Pro over there. This part is the Apple Pencil. Apple Pencil second generation. This is packaging. It is flipped. It is annoying. And the let's just put. Here is the Apple Pencil. This is the Apple Pencil. It's the exact same. This is it. Here is the iPad Pro. I changed my background because I really am not the biggest fan of rainbows, if I heard you anyway, sorry. It's just this is the most interesting and plain one I can find, and I'm going to take more pictures to put as my actual one. Right, so, on the edge of the one you're supposed to charge with, this little weird, not really weird, but magnet. 等一下。We put the Apple Pencil on, and then Apple Pencil's at 70%. Not bad. Okay. Now it works. So yeah. I have the color silver. It charges magnetically, so you don't have, unlike the Generation 1, you don't have to screw off the top and plug it in. This, put it right on, and charges. Just like that, magic. And the Apple Pencil, if you aren't gonna really use your iPad for like drawing, you don't really need Apple Pencil. But if you want to use your iPad for drawing a lot, I recommend getting an Apple Pencil. Put it on, charges. Or this will look like our one. Below, not the hold on to our audio. Boom, camera, beautiful camera. And this is nothing except for that one. And by the way, I'm related, but I'm pretty sure that this dot right here, I'm pretty sure this dot right here is not centered. It might be misinformation, but it's either this dot or one of the dots on the iPad that's not centered. Anyways, bye guys.